Welcome to our Season 4 finale. We have lots in store to get your digital content cleaned up before the bell rings. I'll remind you about the summer workshops, and finally we'll end today's episode with some bloopers from this school year. I'm Jordan R. from the training support team. Let's go. Before we clean up, let's first just quickly remind you that our summer workshops registration has begun, and there's always room to still sign up before July approaches. We'll have the link in the description of this video so you can choose one or how about all of the workshops. There are virtual and in-person options, and yes, cookies. Either way, we hope to see you there.
I see you.
Now it's time to digitally clean up with Katie from the academic team. Take it away, Katie.
Thanks, Jordan. Hi, I'm Katie, your elementary technology consultant, here to talk about how to clean up your Google Classroom. The best way to make sure your content is safe and reusable is to archive it. Let me show you how. First, from the main classroom screen, just go into the class you're done with, select the 3 dots, and choose Archive. Simple and complete. Archiving hides previous classes from your students' view, so it keeps their homepage from getting cluttered up. By archive instead of deleting, you are still able to reuse posts and assignments, and you will still have access to the files in Google Drive. Speaking of Google Drive, trust me when I say never delete anything from your Google Drive Classroom folder. If you need a fresh start with your existing classroom content, keeping all the assignments, we recommend copying your class and then archiving it, so the resources are still accessible. This also allows you to still share resources with others. That's about it. Back to you, Jordan.
Thanks, Katie. Now let's move on to Google Drive. If you're feeling a little cluttered, a great way to clean up your files is to create your very own archive folders for any loose or extra files in your main drive. And why not add some color to those folders by right-clicking and selecting Organize to change your folder's color to differentiate it in the best way so that it suits you. It's also good to search Untitled to see any unnamed files that you could easily delete, or if you wish to keep them, rename them, then move them to your desired drive location. An easy way to move files around is to use the sidebar, where it drops down to view all your created folders. It's super easy to move many files instead of dragging them from the bottom to the top.
What? Did we just become best friends? Yup!
With Gmail, there are even some digital cleanup options too. You can review your labels, archive or delete emails, and you can snooze specific messages to deal with after the summer.
I'm done.
Here are some other handy tips. For Google Sites, you can unpublish classroom sites or remove shared people and change over the settings to restricted. In Google Calendar, we suggest deleting any invites you may have sent to students so there's no chance of any of them getting into a Meet link without supervision. Plus, it cleans up your calendar. If you use the VLE, a lot of the cleanup is already done for you. Just remember that students lose access based on the course end date, which can be extended with a simple request. Just email vle.support@ocdsb.ca. Now for Chromebooks, it's a good time to clear your cache one more time and update your device so you're good as gold for September. It's gonna come fast.
This is insanity.
And before we go for the season, let's give you a little fun reminder that these videos aren't always as polished as they may seem. I do occasionally make a mistake here and there. Check it out. Troubleshooting or suggestions on how to best, on the best workflow. My bad, I screwed that up. So you can do what you do best. I have it, vests. You can wear a vest. Ready to support you and train you. Support you and train you and train you and sport you. Can you try it one more time? In their vests. Take it easy, it's a PG show. Let's go. Let me go back. I was like, hardware. From the home screen in the My Tickets section. Oh, let's do it one more time. I was like, where? I don't know what I'm talking about. And back some more. Oh, bloopers. Particularly, oh man, that's a hard one. Particularly, that's how you say it, right? Before you're ready to present, just present. Oh, easily position the camera or avatar. Oh, going too fast now. You may have to press it twice so you don't see this. Oh, so you do see this screen. You may have to press it twice so you don't see this screen. Oh, what? So you do see this screen. And with your top tabs of your class, you're in the side? I did not write that. Oh, can you hit that little thing on there? It's like, go, oh, you can't, you have to, see it? See that little, look at the actual screen.
I don't see anything.
No? Okay. Look over there. Well, not towards me. Let's do it one more time. Whoa. Wait. Well, that's all. Stop. Say bye. Whoa. With the potential, optional, different word. To confirm your mic is working, working, go back. A new window will pop up, new window. When you add people in the there section, then head over to, shoot, I was doing so well. And add a style filter to complete the whole package and redo this part because I messed it up. Well, once you, shoot, it will show up on your file explorer where the P, Q, S, R, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We'll give you a full rundown updates on our summer workshops. I can't finish a sentence. The second workshop is using the recording options. No, just leave her. Okay, let her in. I know. We will be meeting, can you go back? Well, that's it for season 4 of your weekly upgrade. We hope to see you in the summer during one of the workshops, but if not, have yourself a well-deserved, restful, and amazing summer. And thank you for tuning in, subscribing, and sharing. You guys are the best. Happy summer, everyone.